some deep water. No, it's not. That's deep water. What, Phoenix? My Brewdad? Where'd you come from? What's a Brewdad? Brother. Wait, is that from the stupid Ugandan Knuckles meme? That meme's dead. It's been dead ever since, like, February or March. Bro, I don't care. I remember those good old times. Do you know the way? Girl, know the way. Do you know the way? Our voices have changed a lot. Yeah, but where's Glenda? What do you mean, where's... Of course, Glenda's not here. Why? He's our friend. Why would we be here? Why would he be here? He's just our friend. I mean, we're at your friend's house. True. You know why we're here? Why? To celebrate New Year's Eve. But tomorrow's New Year's Eve, I know. So you dare you walk across this? You might get in trouble. So what, you gonna snitch? Yeah. Alright, I trust you, dude. What? Oh, God. It's so deep of water. Bam! I did it. So, Phoenix, you gonna do it? Phoenix? What? Phoenix? He go, whatever. I'm just gonna go walk by the lake and try to find him. Oh. Phoenix! Where'd you go? Wait, Phoenix? What? I'm trying to enjoy the beach. What do you mean beach? Number one, this is not the ocean. It's a dirty pond that's like 6 feet deep. Number two, this isn't sand. Yeah, it is. Or it is sand, but just because there's sand by a body of water doesn't mean it's okay, Google. Do you have your phone on you? No. Outdoor Alexa. That's your thing. What's the definition of the beach? A beach is a body of water surrounded, or one area has sand. Well, this is a beach then. Told you so. Cannonball! Wait, no, don't!